Hey Sparkle Besties, I hope you all are well. Happy Monday, y'all. So what I'm working on right now is an elevator for the Pink Estate. I'm going to insert some videos and stuff so you all can see, but I really wanted to create an elevator for the dolls, and so I've been 3D printing this elevator, y'all, and it took me like 7 days because of the weather. We were having severe power outages, and I was like printing pieces that took like 4 to 5 hours to print, and the power would go out in the middle of me printing, so I would have to waste my 3D, like my PLA, to start all over again. But I finally got the elevator completely printed, and what I'm doing now is basically sanding it and getting it ready for paint. And so y'all know I'm not necessarily a engineer, like putting stuff together kind of thing, so I have to actually put it together and put the chain mechanism on there. So I'm super excited about that. And y'all know y'all girl be all over the place, y'all. Be doing the absolute most. So yeah, today basically I'm going to send this is the car that goes up and down, and you can see like the little hole at the top. So I was gonna put like either a gold chain or a rhinestone chain through, because I don't want to do just string. Like I want it to be elevated, you know, and just like very luxurious for the dollies. And right now it does not, like, because the Pink Estate is sitting on a table. If it was sitting next to the Pink Estate, it would be about the same height, but right now where it stands, you know, it kind of goes up to the second floor. So I'm going to show you all of that. And don't count on me being regular with my posts, because I'm not, y'all. I'm going to do the best that I can, but I'm definitely going to show y'all the finished project. So yeah, because I have to be honest with myself and my behaviors and my patterns, y'all. I don't be thinking about no Instagram, social media. I just be living my life, child. Okay, so this is what it looks like next to the Pink Estate. So you can see it from the floor. And y'all gotta ignore my doggy. He got his diaper on because he bad. And y'all know he's a multi-poo. So he got an attitude problem. And he likes to do what he want to do. So that's why he wear diapers. So look, this how the elevator go up and down. Now once the chain goes on here, let me show y'all. This is the top piece, so the chain will go through here, and then I'll be able to pull it from the side. Y'all gotta excuse me because I'm doing this with one hand, but it's gonna be so dope with the doll inside of it. Let me go get a doll and put her in so y'all can see how she gonna fit in there. Okay, so I got my Lilith Blair in here, and she fits in here perfectly. And then as you can see, the elevator goes up, and the reason why it's not super smooth is because once the chain mechanism is on there, it will be able to stop on each floor. But I just gotta be careful with this, so I'm hoping that I get this right the first time so I don't have to reprint it again, because with these summer storms, God knows how long it's gonna take for me to reprint it. But you see how it kind of gets trapped a little bit, so that's why I said I'm not an engineer. I'm like doing the best that I can. That was the top piece that just fell off, but I'm gonna keep y'all as updated as possible. Let me know what y'all think about this elevator concept, y'all. I'm super excited, and of course it's going to be razzle dazzle just like the rest of the Pink Estate. My friend bought my guy some shoes, y'all. Look at him, he happy. Love you later.